Okay, so here are these 5 things. So I'm curious, maybe since I can't really do this part of the lecture in French, but what would you say, how could you say Shraddha in French?
La foi.
La foi. And in French, does that also give the idea that it's not necessarily faith in God? Yeah.
Non, la foi, c'est
général.
Okay. Okay. So la foi. Okay. Okay. Next is virya, energy, strength, indomitable will. Anything we set our mind to will be achieved. So it's this, to me, this idea of persistence, strength, recommitment without end, you know, on whatever the value is. So how would you say that, Miriam? How would you say that?
L'énergie, la force, la volonté.
la volonté.
La volonté. So volonté is like about
Will,
right?
Yeah.
You say persistence, recommitment
Without end. Without it's like,
I find that I've read what I've read of the different sutras, it's the highest goals. They all highest goals, but these little, it's something that you can look into.
yeah.
But you understand what I mean?
I think so.
Okay. I mean, it's just the highest of all.
Yes. Yeah.
But it's just that it gives you something to focus on.
Yeah.
Not because I don't think I can achieve those things. Really,
Yeah.
to be honest,
No,
me
I
I
neither.
can be persistent and
Yeah.
remaining all no hand. I don't think so.
Yeah. No, I'm with you. I totally
No,
understand.
it gives me something to think about and work in my life.
It gives you strength.
Ouais, ben, c'est le maximum.
C'est
pas le gars.
Mm.
Mais ça te donne la volonté de continuer.
Yeah. I like to think of everything as a practice, not a destination. Because if I think of it as a destination,
It's discouraging.
I feel discouraged. But if I think of it as a practice, then I'm like, oh, this is worth practicing.
Well, like me, I cannot do the handstand.
Yeah.
You showed me how to practice to get
Yes.
there. So I'm going to work very hard, to
Great.
achieve it. So it's a
Great.
goal and la volonté. So
Yeah.
maybe I won't get there, but I'll work very hard to get
Yeah.
there.
I think that with practice and creating that habit, you might get there.
Yeah.
That's my sense. Yeah. And there's something about just engaging in the practice. This was another word not in this list, but abhyasa. It's just willingness to practice again and again. And then I think, especially if we can find joy in the practice, that's a really good thing. We can start to not say someday I'm going to achieve this goal, then I will, but more try to enjoy the whole thing. Okay, number 3, smriti, memory, retentive power, the ability to retain our life experiences. Literally, there's nothing we've ever read, said, seen that we don't remember. So I think that's kind of funny. So it's perfect retention.
Apparently the unconscious is like that. Apparently remembers everything, every word you say.
Yeah.
It's all registered. But not really.
Yeah. Well, that's another facet of nidra, this yogic sleep, is it does sort of start dissolve the boundary between conscious and unconscious. So maybe. But I like that last sentence, we remember what is important to us and hold on to the highest goal of life. And I would even translate, we hold on to our our most important values. Whether that's to, connect with our essence, connect with the essence of others, give and receive love. If we can keep that in mind, we're doing pretty well. We cannot be distracted by all the things and really connect to our deepest values. Prajna, intelligence, intuition. So this could be a flash of knowing where, not through our senses. So we could connect this to intuition because that's also not through our senses. That we just have a realization about something. And my guess is that most of us have had that in the form of a flash. Just a flash of knowing. So that's prajna. But also having access to knowledge that we haven't actually studied or learned. Like for instance, just the ability to speak a language. Or the ability to, I don't know geography or something without actually having studied it. So that would be kind of the part that seems sort of magical of prajna. So these two are, if we want to know if somebody's enlightened, we would look and kind of see, do they have these qualities? Samadhi. So there's different kinds of samadhi listed in the Yoga Sutras, and you might remember in the 8 limbs, samadhi was the 8th. But in this case, we're talking about really not having any questions, like having access to our unconscious and to this universal field, and being your own guru and having the answers inside you. Now, I think in a very real sense, we all do have our answers inside of us. We don't always remember, and we sometimes want help and support, to connect to our wisdom and to our answers. So I feel like that's very much a kind of a practice that we're up to. And then there's sort of the mega version of, a literal connection to all there is, all the time. So there they are.